Hi, I'm Mona, wife, new mom, and small business owner of Creole Soul. Come with me behind the scenes on our journey of growing Creole Soul, in the kitchen for delicious recipes, gardening, and many other fun adventures. Welcome to our channel. Hi everyone. Back in February, I had the pleasure of trying LaMay Family Farms ground beef, and let me tell you, it is absolutely delicious. So the first thing I thought about doing was making some homemade burgers. These packs are just over a pound, so I'm going to use 2. So our burgers will roughly be half-pound burgers. To the ground meat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing, and then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Creole Soul seasoning, the original blend. You could use the heat blend, even the taco blend if you want to make like a taco burger, but I'm just going to use our original blend today. Now the mayonnaise and the ranch dressing are not needed, but they will add an extra boost of flavor. I typically like to add the mayonnaise or the ranch dressing when I am grilling the burgers to ensure that there's enough moisture and the burgers won't dry out. But again, it's not needed, but try it if you'd like. I had to use my hand. It's the best mixing tool anyway. So I like to mix these until they're completely well blended. Here I'm going to make 4 patties out of the meat mixture. Since this is going to be bacon cheeseburgers, I'm going to go ahead and fry up our bacon. You can see that cast iron is screaming hot right now. So I like to go ahead and just cut the bacon in half with kitchen scissors. It makes it so much easier than to take it out of the package and cut it with a knife. What is a homemade burger without homemade fries? What are your favorite condiments to eat with your french fries? I have to admit, back in high school, it was a combination of ranch dressing and ketchup. Absolutely delicious. What do you like on yours? So the bacon here is just about done. I like my bacon to be well done and crispy, to be honest with you. How do you like your bacon? Now for the moment we've been waiting for, the burgers are going into the pan. What's your favorite way to cook burgers? Is it only on the grill? Do you fry them on top of the stove? Do you bake them? What do you like to do? Most of my childhood burger memories are of my mom making them on top of the stove, and let me tell you, those were the best burgers. I haven't had a better burger than my mom's burgers on top of the stove. So I guess the next question is, when are they done? my suggestion is to buy one of those easy read thermometers. It makes it so much easier instead of having to pull the burgers apart and ruin them. I added sharp cheddar cheese with the lid so it would have time to melt. For toppings, I toasted a sesame seed bun, added mayonnaise, baby spinach leaves, tomatoes, and of course, our crispy fried bacon. What are your favorite toppings for your burgers? Leave it in the comments below. In the description box, I will leave the information for LaMay Family Farms and any other products that we use today. If you are in the Northwest Louisiana area, please try out LaMay Family Farms. You will not be disappointed. I look forward to using their meats in our future recipes. Please like, subscribe, and share to our videos. And if you've never used Creole Soul products, now is the time. Visit us at www.eatcreolesoul.com and put some Creole Soul on it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.